Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the 13-inch 6-liter Large Silicone Dopp Kit, a versatile and stylish travel companion for both men and women. Crafted from lightweight, water-resistant, and wrinkle-proof silicone, this eco-friendly toiletry bag is designed to hold all your daily essentials with ease, boasting a spacious main compartment that can fit up to 6 550 ml water bottles. The innovative G-lock system allows for easy strap adjustment, while the buckles double as convenient handles for carrying and hanging. Its flat-bottom design ensures the bag sits upright and open on countertops, making it easy to access your items. Plus, the soft shell material folds down flat for effortless storage in your carry-on luggage or handbag, making it perfect for travel. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway or a long vacation, this toiletry bag is the ultimate blend of functionality and style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.